Ebya Minisita Mayanja byandyonooneka oluvannyuma lw'omubaka w'Emityana Francis Zaake okulangira nga bw'agenda okuleeta ekiteeso eky'okumuggyamu Bwesige. Okusinziira ku mubaka ono, Minisita Mayanja ayitiriza okutyoboola nnyinimu kale nga ke kaseera naye aggyibwe mu Bwesige.
I'm informing the House that I'm coming up with a petition to censure the Honourable Minister for the utterances he has made against our King, and then also about not attending this parliament.
You will not censure him for utterances, but for missing the House.
All right, for missing the House. Next week, Mr. Speaker, I'm informing the House, I'm coming up with a petition to censure the Honourable Minister for missing the House.
But we'll need to check our records if he has not been asking for permission not to be in the House. We'll check our records.
Yabuvuddeko Minisita Mayanja bwe yali emukono alina ebigambo byayogera ebitali birungi era n'abantu abali ku lukuŋŋaana olwo abatali bamu balwamuka nga bwe bamwogerera ebisongovu.
Nabagamba ab'Ebugere ettaka eryo lyo bemuga nti ya Kabaka ebya Bulimba ettaka lyonna lya district. Leero Kabaka Mutebi oba ayagala ettaka aligule oba yalisikira okuva ku kitaawe abeere nalyo neetondera public land n'oluyita private land. Oba oyagala state within the state ekyo tukigaanyi kubanga ebyo taatawo Muteesa byakola. That is the truth. And my friend, if you don't want the truth, that is the truth. I've clarified and I've finished.
Omubaka Gonzaga yaleese ensonga eno nga yeemulugunya ku minisita entyoboola gy'atyobolamu Kabaka awamu n'okuvvoola Obuganda. Ono era amulangidde n'obutakiika mu ntuula za paalamenti.
We have a lot of indiscipline in government officials, including some ministers, not the word some ministers. There is a minister here, Madam Speaker, he's an ex-official. The last time he came to Parliament, he came not wearing a tie. And he ran out slowly. But when he goes out, Sam Mayanja is ever attacking Buganda institution, attacking the king, and that's another sign of indiscipline. He has missed sitting here for over 200 times without coming with no sufficient cause. And the rules are very clear. I don't know why you don't write to the president. Sam Mayanja should be removed from the ministry. It is not useful to us. Sam Mayanja is attacking the Buganda kingdom, abusing Buganda. He's never in parliament. How does he execute his work as a minister without coming to parliament to tell us what is happening in the Ministry of Land?
Speaker Anita Ntamong ensonga eno agikwasizza nampala wa gavumenti okubaako ky'akola.
Concerning a minister that abuses the king, it's a very serious matter, Right Honourable Speaker. This is about a leadership of a king in this country. A minister of government goes with the public, he abuses the king today, tomorrow, the other day. And the matter is brought here. I expected the government chief whip at least to promise either the matter to be taken to cabinet or anywhere. It cannot just be swept under the table like that.
I am going to write to Honorable Mayanja to come to this floor.
Yise Chigongo, Kurwa, Channel 44, Oregulo.